Meaning of Hooverville.
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 Hooverville. Hooverville was the name given to the group of makeshift shantytowns that appeared during the Great Depression in the United States. The term is derived from President Herbert Hoover, who was widely blamed for the economic crisis that led to these encampments. These settlements were formed by people who had lost their homes and jobs and were forced to live in squalor in these ramshackle communities. Hoovervilles were often located on the outskirts of cities and towns, and housed thousands of homeless people at their peak. The conditions in these camps were often dire, with many residents suffering from malnutrition, disease, and exposure to the elements.